Finnish Thompson pumps are used locally as well as worldwide.
Erie Waterworks and our main company, Finnish Thompson.
Okay, at the Erie Waterworks, we use Finnish Thompson pumps in many applications. And we also use Finnish Thompson pumps as sample pumps to test water, run samples of water, and push them from one place to another.
Well, I like the fact of working for a manufacturer because we actually make the product rather than supplying a product that is going to be put into something else that somebody else is going to make. So that's an interesting part of the business.
Money.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
It's ever-changing.
Efficiency.
Assembly.
Warehousing.
Here we can see some Finnish Thompson workers making some parts. This video was sponsored by